the air is getting cold. And the warm. I mean, the air is getting warm, but a little bit. Since it's the first startup from the outside. Yeah. Yep, everything's vibrating. I'm vibrating. Yep, it's getting cold. Oh, yeah, now it's getting even warmer too. Yeah. And this is the R22 Adventure. And it also has strong airflow too. The air is it blends some strong air. It blends strong warm air. See that? It's very strong and high. Even including turbo too. Look. But wait. Except for a turbo, look. Yep. Yeah, even the turbo is the it's the highest speed, just like high cool look. It's the same one for the highest speed. Yep, it's the strong airflow. It's pretty cool. Alright. Alright, now I think I'm gonna let this air conditioner running for to see how if the coil is sweating. So yeah, but right now it's not sweating yet. So but I know it's already cold. It's already cold, so yeah. I mean, the stuff over there is cold a little bit, but it's okay. Well, I think I'm gonna let this thing running for an hour to see if the coils are sweating. Yeah. Hold on. Alright, there you go. Alright, yeah. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, I'm back. So yeah, this air conditioner is running for about like 4 minutes now. Now the air is getting really cold. It was some cold air. It's really good. And the air is very hot too now. Yep, it's so hot. Oh, it's not sweating yet, but yeah, it's alright. Wow. Oh wait, actually, it is sweaty now. See? Yeah, it's sweating. Wow. Yeah. Yep, this thing works really good. Oh, this water on the bottom too. Yeah. Yeah. It's working just great. Alright, now let's go to first speeds now. From there. So yeah. So is this slow, this medium? And high. Yep. And the air is making my phone even warmer now because the air is very hot. Air but low. There we go. But yeah, this thing's massive. It's working good. Yep. It's working just fine. Oh wait, and this one does not work. See? It doesn't do anything, so it just does nothing. Yep, nothing. Yep, nothing happens. So yeah, but it's for this way, but it doesn't work though. Yeah. And here's the sleep mode. Yeah. I love this thing, guys. It's working good. And yes, and one thing about this air conditioner, it has no back capacitor. The refrigerant system is working good for the compressor. Yeah. This is cold and this is warm. Yeah. Oh, and this one's sweaty too. Look. See? It's sweating. Yeah. Because it's cold. Because the air is cold. No wonder why those things are sweating. Yeah. It's going great. Alright. That's about it. This is 2010 Everstar 2002 portable air conditioner. Stop and run and shut down. Thank you for watching and over and out. Peace. Yup.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing working good. Yeah, peace.